Hey, hi, how are you? My name is Anjal Singh and I welcome you to this quick tutorial for this beautiful Beethoven song called Ode to Joy. Now, this is one of the easiest songs that you can learn if you are starting with the guitar. The entire song has only 4 main lines and we should be able to play the song just like that. So, without wasting any more time, let's dive right into the song and see how it goes. Now, the entire song, like I said, has only 4 main lines. So, the way it goes, the very first line sounds something like this. So, we have. Okay, let's break that down. Every note that we are playing are on the first and first string only. So we start on the 5th fret of the first string. We go 5, 5, 6 with another finger, and so that the 8 can be a pinky. Okay, so we don't want to do like that. Okay, so we want to use as much fingers as possible. So we have 5, 5, 6, 8, 8, 6, 5, 3, then 1 again with the first finger, then 1. Now you want to use your 3 with the ring, then you have pinky for the 5, and again 5, and then 3, 3. Okay, let's play that back. So again we have very slowly. Very good. Okay, let's move on to the next line. The next line sounds something like this. So we have. Okay, now if you look into it, you can see the start of the song pretty much the same. We only change at the very end with the song. So the start, everything on the first string. I start with the 5, 5, 6, then again 8, 8. Then you have 6, then 5, then 3, then 1, 1, 3, and then 5. All the way up till here is exactly the same. But this time, instead of plucking the 5 again, we go back to the 3. And then we do 2 times on the 1, 1. Okay, let's play that back again. Very slowly, we have. Very well done. Next line. The next line goes something like this. So we have, starting on the 3 of the first string. Okay, let's play that back. So we have, again, from the 3 on the second string, very slowly you do 3, then you do 5 with the ring finger, both on the first string, then you do the 6 with the pinky on the second string, then you go back, do the same thing again. So you have 3, 5, and this time 6. Instead of on the second string, you do it on the first string, then you go back to the 5, and then you do the 6. Okay, so if you just read it, it's a lot more easier. Next part, we go back to the 3. You again have 5, 6, then back to 5, and to the 3, and this time you move the 3 back to the 1, then you do the 3 again, and then the 1 goes on the second string, first fret. Okay, let's play that back again. Very slowly, we have something like this. Very good. And now the next line. The next line starts with a 5, an immediate 5. After that thing you did 1, 3, 1, then 5 comes right away. There is no break. Okay, and the next line goes like this. So we have, now if you look at it, it's exactly like the second string. The only difference is the first 5 we play that a little longer. So we have, and then as compared to playing it like, okay, that's the only difference. So the first 5 we just elongate that a little bit. So last line one more time very slowly. We have, and that should complete this song. Okay, so now we are going to head towards our play along, but before we do that, let's say there is any section, any part, any lines that you still don't understand or you feel like you need a little bit more practice with, then please do feel free to go back, rewatch it, come practiced so that this section goes really well. So if you're all good, then let's head right into the play along of this song. I really hope that you were able to play this beautiful song in its entirety and that you had a fun time doing so. If you feel like this was too easy of a song, then do feel free to check out my other videos to try and find a better fit for you. If you have any doubts, any suggestions or song requests, then feel free to leave a comment right there in the comment box below so that it may get conveyed to me. If you really like this video, then do not forget to hit that thumbs up button as it really motivates me to make more such content for you. If you want to see more of me, then that subscribe button is your way to go. For today, this is all from my side. Have fun, take care, bye bye.